Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This video is part of the 10-minute declutter series. While we are organizing baby clothes in this video, the same process can be used for anything you organize. We went out of town for a couple of days last week to visit family. While we were there, I helped organize some baby clothes for one of the other Spendwise moms who works full-time. There are a lot of people who work full-time and have kids. This doesn't leave a lot of room for organizing at home with all of the responsibilities that you have. The key to success when you're really busy is to remember that little bits add up. Let's take these baby clothes, for example. If you focus on this section of the room one week, you can easily divide up the job. Do one little part each day. For example, do sleepers one day, shoes and socks one day, shirts one day, and pants one day. Everything we organized was put into well-defined storage bins. It was easy and fast to go through each one of them, one at a time, and we took out the 3 to 6 month clothes that were too small and kept the 6 to 9 month clothes that were the right size for now. The nice thing about doing this is that you'll know that everything in the storage bin will fit your baby. You also don't clutter up the space with clothes that are too small, and the clothes aren't spilling over the top. The storage bins help you to limit the amount of clothes you keep. Baby clothes are so cute, and it's easy to get carried away and end up with too many. Setting a limit is good. You can see in the video how we took everything out of a storage bin. We separated the clothes that were too small, the ones that were the right size, and the ones that needed to be tried on her baby to see if they'll fit. We put the clothes that were too small into a larger bin to be saved for future children. She kept only the clothes that would fit in the larger bin. The rest went to friends or to donate. Everyone has 5 or 10 minutes in a day that they can organize. It will save you time in the future. You can do it while your children are in the room playing with toys. There's a more peaceful feeling when things are organized. If you have a small space, a drawer, or a shelf, set your timer for 5 or 10 minutes and see what you can accomplish in that time. Little bits done consistently will add up. You'll be surprised at how much you can do by organizing a little bit at a time. Doing it regularly also helps you not to feel so overwhelmed by clutter. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.